Spending 48 hours in Saigon, officially known as Ho Chi Minh City, offers a vibrant whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors. Begin your journey in the heart of District 1, where French colonial architecture stands side by side with buzzing street life. On your first morning, immerse yourself in the city's history by visiting the War Remnants Museum, a sobering yet essential experience. Next, wander over to the Notre-Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon and the Central Post Office, marveling at the striking facades and intricate interiors.
Recharge with a cup of robust Vietnamese coffee at a local cafe, best enjoyed while people watching from a sidewalk seat. For lunch, explore Bến Thành Market, where you can sample local delicacies such as pho, banh mi, or fresh spring rolls. Stroll through the stalls, where vendors sell everything from fragrant spices to colorful textiles.
In the afternoon, delve deeper into Vietnamese history with a tour of the Reunification Palace. Later, set off for a sunset walk along Nguyen Walking Street, where Saigon's energy peaks as locals and tourists mingle beneath the city lights. As evening falls, seek out a rooftop bar for sweeping views of the skyline, followed by dinner in the lively Bui Vien street area, famed for its bustling atmosphere and street food.
On your second day, escape the urban frenzy with a morning trip to the Jade Emperor Pagoda, an enchanting sanctuary adorned with incense smoke and ancient statues. Venture out to the Cu Chi tunnels to explore the underground life during wartime, or opt for a leisurely boat tour on the Saigon River. Wrap up your adventure by hunting for souvenirs at local markets, and savor one last Vietnamese coffee before you say goodbye to this dynamic city. A place where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, leaving memories that linger long after you've gone.